Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to integrate LambdaTest with Asana. This integration allows you to push bugs directly from your LambdaTest sessions into Asana as tasks, streamlining your testing workflow and keeping your team aligned. Let's walk through the setup process. First, you'll need to log in to your LambdaTest account. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom part of the left side menu where you'll find Quick Actions. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Integration. This section houses all the third-party tools you can connect with LambdaTest to enhance your testing capabilities. On the integrations page, you'll see various blocks representing different tools. Search for the Asana block and click the Connect button. This initiates the connection process between your LambdaTest and Asana accounts, setting the stage for seamless bug tracking. If you're not already logged into Asana, a login page will open in a new window. Here, enter your Asana credentials to proceed. Alternatively, you can use your Google account to log in if that's how you've set up your Asana access. This step ensures that LambdaTest can securely connect to your specific Asana workspace. Once you've logged in, Asana will present you with a permission page. This is where Asana asks for your consent to allow LambdaTest to access your workspace. Click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. This authorization is essential for LambdaTest to create and manage tasks within your Asana projects directly from your testing sessions. After granting permission, you'll be redirected back to LambdaTest. Head over to the integration page once more to confirm the connection was successful. You should see a green checkmark next to Asana, indicating that the integration is now active and ready to use. This visual confirmation ensures everything is properly linked. And that's it. Your LambdaTest and Asana accounts are now integrated, allowing you to report bugs instantly during testing and keep your project management workflow efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.